some exotic booze. There's a bar in far Bombay. Fly with me, let's fly away.
Come on, Nick.
Fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land, there's
What's the name again? Sands Hotel. Delray Sands Resort.
fly with
Delray Sands Resort. Amazing.
we'll just fly.
That's our hurricane review. See you soon. God bless. Stay safe. Stay well.